Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV, and today we will be learning how to make fruit salad, one of the most popular dishes especially during Ramadan time. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. To start off, we'll need 1 glass of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I have taken about 3 ounces of grapes, 2 ounces of pineapple, half cut pomegranate, 3 apples, 2 oranges, 4 bananas, 2 kiwis, and about 4 strawberries. And then later on we will add about half teaspoon of salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of shan chaat masala. So to start off, we will add the glass of water into the pan and then put it on medium setting, and then add the sugar into it, and that's it. Just add the sugar and then stir it into the water, and then keep stirring until you see the water becoming thin. So just keep on doing that. Okay, so you can see as it's almost coming into shape, it's almost becoming thick, and then once it is, then we will set it aside and let it cool down and then start working on the salad. Okay, so now the water is nice and ready, so we'll just set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, let it cool down, and then we'll start working on the salad. So now the water is cooled down, so we will put that into the container and then start adding from the apple. So while the water was cooling down, I took that time to cut all the fruit. It's always best to add the items that you have the more quantity of. Now, as you remember, I had 2 oranges. So what I did was I took 1 orange and cut it into small pieces, and the other one, which you can see right here, once I've added all the fruit together, then I will spray it on the entire fruit salad to make it taste very, very good. And now, first I'll add the salt, and now the chaat masala, and then finally I will use the orange to drain all the juice, all natural juice. Like, if you don't have an orange and you just want to use an actual orange juice, you can do that as well. You can also use pineapple juice, apple juice itself, any type of juice that you prefer. I like oranges, and I believe it tastes very good with oranges, so that's why I'm using actual oranges. So just mix it well. Now the fruits were already mixed up when we were adding it, but in order to get like the chaat masala and the salt fully added in, mixed into the salad, it's better to just mix it up. And then I have taken a little bit extra kiwis to just for some garnishing. So here you go, viewers. Here is our final product. Again, one of the most popular items during Ramadan time. Try this out. If you do, please leave a comment below and also take a picture of it and send it to us on our Instagram, and we will post it for you. And if you have any more demands that you would like us to make, any particular dish, we can do that as well. So inshallah, remember us in your prayers. Enjoy this Ramadan. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.